You have a father who's very fearful for his daughter. Zina is widespread. Zina is widespread, right? من أشراط الساعة أن يقل العلم ويظهر الجهل ويظهر الزنا. From the signs of the hour, the Messenger ﷺ told us, is that knowledge becomes less, ignorance becomes widespread, and also zina becomes prevalent. Every father is terrified. My daughter Taymiyyah, she's 2 years of age, and wallahi, every now and again, when I look at her, this fear, begins to grow inside of my heart. She grows older, it's going to be the situation, right? She's got green eyes, أخاف عليها. So guys, they like green eyes, huh? Point being, my brothers and my sisters, is something that scares a father. How is she going to turn out? What's going to happen to her? Is she going to now fall victim to a zina, al-fahisha, which could be the reason that her deen spirals out of control? Sahih? So now this father who's been worried all of his time, 2 people come and ask for his daughter's hand in marriage. Pay attention now. You got Muhammad, who shaves his beard completely, and he has other evil things that he might do that are displeasing to Allah. However, huwa muwahhid. He's someone whose tawheed is good, right? And generally speaking, he ascribes to the Sunnah of the Messenger ﷺ. He's trying to follow the Sunnah. However, not everyone is perfect. You're going to have shortcomings, right? That's Muhammad. On the other hand, you have Ibrahim. Ibrahim, my brothers and my sisters, he practices innovation, but he has a beard. And he doesn't do all of these evil things that the first does. Which one is the lesser of the 2 evils? This guy stays on top of his ibadat, and however, he preaches innovation. His mind has been polluted by innovative practices. And we know, right, that innovations are evil. Isn't it so? Which one's the lesser of 2 evils? Which one's was the first or the second? Innovations is adding new things into the religion. Do you see what I'm saying? I'm like newly invented matters that have been introduced into the religion, which the religion is free from. You guys with me? Which one's the lesser of the 2 evils now? The first or the second? Why is it? Why? I'll tell you guys. Abdullah ibn Abbas, he said, Al-bid'atu ahabbu ila Iblees min al-ma'siyah. Bid'ah, innovations, are more beloved to Iblees than sins. I meet a lot of brothers, rappers, trappers, right, drug dealers. And whenever I sit down with them, they always say, Akhi, please make dua for me, man, please. Or a guy who's in a haram relationship says, Akhi, please make dua for me. I don't like her, but I'm just stuck in this relationship with her because of a child that I had with her. Like, please make dua. He knows that what he's doing is wrong. And he's saying to make dua for me. However, the guy that's practicing innovation, my brothers and my sisters, he believes he's getting closer to Allah. Isn't it so? He believes he's getting closer to Allah, right? For example, he's celebrating the Prophet ﷺ's birthday, or he's doing this, or he's doing that. That is outside of what the Messenger ﷺ and his companions practiced, right? For example, this practice now, the Messenger ﷺ didn't do it. The companions didn't do it. Imam Abu Hanifa didn't do it. Imam Shafi'i, Malik, Ahmad, they all didn't do it. And then later on, it was something that was introduced, which then became a matter that is practiced under the realm of Islam. If it was really a good thing, then the companions would have definitely done it. We don't love the Messenger ﷺ more than them. The way we need to be, my brothers and my sisters, is that we follow Qur'an, Sunnah upon whose understanding? Sahaba, Tabi'in, wa atba'u Tabi'in. That's how we should be. Not me, or not my uncle, or not my dad, or my sheikh, or your sheikh. No. My job and my teacher's job is just to tell me what Allah and His Messenger ﷺ said. This is our religion. Does that make sense? And these 4 great Imams, Imam Ahmad, Abu Hanifa, Shafi'i, and Malik, they tried the utmost best, right, in giving us a package that is ready in how to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why when somebody says to me, I'm not going to follow madhab, I'm going to follow the Qur'an and the Sunnah, I say to them, these 4 great Imams, what were they preaching? The Torah and the Injil? The Bible and the Torah? What kind of answer is this? They had a hadith, they had verses, right, which they extrapolated and deduced rulings from, and then they packaged it for us, which I'd rather follow Imam Ahmad than someone that's contemporary. So which one's the lesser of 2 evils, guys? First one's the lesser of 2 evils. Because he has tawheed and he's following the Sunnah. As for the other one, he's practicing innovations, and the Messenger ﷺ told us, وَشَرُّ الْأُمُورِ مُحْدَثَاتُهَا. The worst of the things is the innovative practice which we hear on the minbar every week. Does that make sense? كُلُّ عِبَادٍ لَمْ يَتَعَبَّدْ بِهَا أَصْحَابُ رَسُولِ اللَّهِ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ فَلَا تَتَعَبَّدُوا بِهَا. Abu Darda, he said, any act of worship that the companions didn't do, don't do it, right? So it's actually a very evil thing. That's why we hear it, and the Messiah used to say it all the time. The worst of the things are the innovative, bid'i type practices that may be carried out.